In today's video, we are going to solve this logarithmic equation step by step. To solve this equation, first you have to remember the basic rule of logarithm. So, all of these base we are going to convert into the same base. Then take this base 2. Means we are going to take this base 4, convert to base 2, then this base 8, convert to base 2. So if we have log x base 4, convert into base 2, we take log x base 2 over logarithm of 4 base 2. So to get this answer, we have the logarithm of 4 base 2. We suppose it's equal to 1 to find the answer. Then we take base our answer, which is y, is equal to this number 4. So 2 power y is equal to 4 is equal to or 2. Cancel the base, then y is equal to 2. Means this logarithm of 4 base 2 is same as 2. Then logarithm of x base 4 is equal to logarithm of x base 2 over 2. Then convert logarithm of x base 8 into base 2. It's the same way we have a logarithm of x base 2 over logarithm of 8 base 2. So then we find the number and replace this. If we have the logarithm of 8 base 2, we suppose it's equal to 1. Then 2 power y is equal to 8. Then means 2 power y is equal to 8 is equal to plus 3. Then cancel this base, y is equal to 3. Means logarithm of x base 8 is equal to logarithm of x base 2 over 3. So then we are going to substitute into this equation. So we have 9 logarithm of x base 2 plus 3, then minus 88 times logarithm of x base 4 is equal to logarithm of x base 2 over 2, then it is power 2 plus 9 logarithm of x base 8, which is equal to logarithm of x base 2 over 3, then plus 10 equal 0. Log x base 4 into base 2 is this. It gives this. And then logarithm x base 8, it gives this. Then substitute into equation. So we get this equation. Now we are going to suppose that logarithm of x base 2 equal to, for example, let me take k. So then substitute log x base 2 equal k. So we have 9 k power 3, then minus 88 k over 2 power 2, then plus 9 k over 3, then plus 10 equal to 0. Then here we have a 2, power 2 means 4. So our equation 9k power 3 minus 2 power 2 is equal to 4, then cancel here we have 22. Then k power 2, then plus, here we cancel, have a 3, k, then plus 10 is equal to 0. Solve the equation with degree 3. We have to find any number which can verify this equation. Means which number can substitute for k and this equation will be equal to 0. Then verify 1. We take 9, then 1 power 3 minus 22, 1 power 2, then plus 3 times 1, then plus 10. Then check whether it's equal to 0. 1 plus 3 is equal to 1, times 9 is equal to 9. Then minus 22. 1 square is equal to 1, then times 22 is equal to 22. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. Then plus 10. If we take 9 plus 3 is equal to 12 plus 10 is equal to 22. 22 minus 22 is equal to 0. So means 0 is equal to 0. 1 verify this equation. So we take this number which verify our equation as root of this equation. Now as you see, 1 is one of the root of this equation, means it's verify this equation to 0. Now we are going to write this coefficient. Here we have a 9, we have negative 22, we have plus 3, and we have plus 10. And here we write this number which verify our equation, which was 1. So we bring down the first coefficient, which is 9. 9 times 1 is equal to 9. Make addition. Minus 22 plus 9 is equal to 13. 13 times 1. Something which is negative. Negative 13 times 1 is equal to negative 13. Make addition is equal to negative 10. Then negative 10 times 1 is equal to negative 10. Make addition is equal to 0. Now to write in equation form, we start with that root which verify our equation. So we write k, then oppose the sign of this root, means we have a k minus 1 and factor. Now we are going to write this coefficient, but if our equation have a degree 3, now we remain with degree 2. So we have a 9k, degree 2 means k square, then minus 13k, then minus 10 equal to 0. Solve this equation, either k minus 1 is equal to 0, or 9k square minus 13k minus 10 is equal to 0. Now we are going to solve the equation with degree 2. Here we start by B. This is A, this is B, and this is C. So we solve equation with degree 2. The simplest way is using delta. Delta is equal to B squared minus 4AC. For our equation we have minus 13 squared, then minus 4, A is 9, times 9, then times C, C which is negative 10. So our delta is equal to, is equal to 529. Root of delta is equal to 23. Now we find K1, which is equal to minus B plus square root of B over 2A. So we take a B which is minus, we have minus, then B, which is minus 13. Then plus which is 23 over 2 times A, 2 times A, which is 2, which is equal to 2. It means K1 is equal to 2. K2 is equal to minus B minus root D over 2A, which is equal to half minus 13, then minus root D, which is 23 over 2 times 9, which is equal to minus 10 over 8. Once you set 5 remaining here, minus 5 over 9. Okay, solution. It was 1, 2, and minus 5 over 9. So, if you remember, we start by supposing that logarithm of x raised to is equal to k. Now we are going to get this x. So let's take the first solution. Logarithm x raised to is equal to k1 is equal to 1. As basic rule of logarithm, base times answer is equal to this number. Means 2 power 1 is equal to x. So x1 is equal to 2. Then move to solution 2. Logarithm of x raised to is equal to k. K which is equal to 2. Means 2 power 2 is equal to x. X is equal to 4. Then move to solution 3. We have logarithm x raised to 2, which is equal to k3, which is minus 9, minus 5 over 9. So 2 power minus 5 over 9 is equal to x. x is equal to 2. So 2 1 over 2 5. So x is equal to 1 over square root of 2 over 5. That is root square. So the solution of x, we have 1 over root 9 2 over 5, and we have